Macaroni is one of the pasta which is usually enjoyed by all age group. Let us start with boiling macaroni first. In a medium pot, bring water to a boil. Add any vegetable oil and salt. Let it come to a boil again. Then add macaroni and boil it. Stir it occasionally so that they don't stick together. Boil it until it is 95% cooked or firm to bite. Key thing to remember here is do not overcook it. Then strain it, let it cool down for a couple of minutes, then transfer it on a plate or a bowl. Add few drops of oil, mix it gently, cover it and keep it aside. Time to make the sauce. This recipe calls for a generous number of tomatoes. Remove core of the tomatoes and score X mark at the bottom of each one. Bring water to a boil in a medium to large pot and partially cook them, or cook it until the flesh releases the skin easily. If you have pressure cooker, cook it for 1 whistle. That would be quicker and easier. Then remove skin, cool it down, roughly chop and grind it into a puree. For making a sauce, heat up any heavy bottom pan or kadhai on a medium to high flame. Add butter and few drops of oil so that butter will not burn. Once butter starts melting, add garlic and green chilies. I forgot to add it. That's why I'll add it in later in this video. And saute it about 30 to 40 seconds. Then add chopped red onion and saute it only until it turns pink or translucent. Now add diced carrots. You can also add green beans here. Saute it for roughly about 20 seconds. Then add tomato puree, salt, oregano, Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir everything well. Cover it and cook it on medium flame until the little bit of oil bubbles comes on the surface and whole masala comes together. Now add mixed peppers of your choice, but must include green pepper for its crispier and sharp taste. Now add red chili flakes followed by boiled macaroni and mix everything together. Just cook it for a minute or until macaroni heats up. Then add garam masala, gently stir it and turn off the heat. Cover it and rest it for 10 minutes or until macaroni absorbs all masala and puffed up. Serve hot. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.